Here's a shocking fact. People who eat dinner within 3 hours of bedtime are 7 times more likely to suffer from nighttime acid reflux, heartburn, and poor sleep. But here's the good news. Get your dinner right, and you'll wake up fresh, burn fat overnight, and finally fix your digestion problems. Today, I'm going to show you exactly when to eat, what to eat, and how to eat dinner for better sleep, faster weight loss, and a healthier gut. Plus, I'll share 7 simple, high-protein, high-fiber dinner recipes that take less than 20 minutes to make. Let's dive in right now, friends. Why dinner matters. Most people skip breakfast, rush through lunch, and then make or break their health at dinner. But here's what science says. Dinner isn't just another meal. It's the meal that decides how well you sleep tonight, how fresh you feel tomorrow morning, whether you lose weight or gain it, whether your digestion improves or gets worse. A 2025 study published in Cell Metabolism tracked 137 adults eating the exact same calories and foods, but at different times. The group that finished eating by 3 p.m. lost 2.3 kg more body fat over 12 weeks than the group eating later. Dinner within 3 hours of bedtime increases your risk of gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, by 7.45 times. That's why so many people wake up with bloating, acid reflux, or that heavy, sluggish feeling. The reason? Your body runs on a 24-hour internal clock called your circadian rhythm. This clock controls your metabolism, hunger hormones, digestion, and sleep cycle. When you eat late at night, you're eating against your body's natural rhythm. And that's when problems start. Chrononutrition science. Let me explain something called chrononutrition, the science of when you eat. Research shows that your body's digestive power, called digestive fire in Ayurveda, naturally decreases after sunset. A 2026 study published in Sleep found that eating dinner after your body's melatonin onset, when you start feeling sleepy, reduced carbohydrate oxidation by 28% and decreased metabolic flexibility, meaning your body switched less efficiently between burning carbs and fat. Here's what happens when you eat late. Insulin sensitivity drops by up to 25% at night. Fat burning slows down because your body prioritizes digestion over repair. Sleep quality decreases due to increased body temperature and digestive activity. Hunger hormones get disrupted, making you crave more food the next day. On the flip side, eating earlier, ideally finishing dinner 3 hours before bed, activates overnight fat burning, detoxification, and cellular repair. One network meta-analysis showed that early time-restricted eating, finishing meals before 5 p.m., ranked highest for improving blood sugar, body weight, and insulin sensitivity. Now you know when to eat. But what should you eat? Here are the 5 non-negotiable rules of a perfect dinner. Let's begin. 5 perfect dinner rules, alright? So now you know when to eat. But what should you eat? Here are the 5 non-negotiable rules of a perfect dinner. Rule number 1. Eat early, 2 to 3 hours before bed. Finish dinner by 7:30 to 8 p.m. if you sleep around 11 p.m. This gives your body enough time to digest properly before you lie down. If you eat at 10 p.m. and sleep at 11 p.m., gravity can't help keep stomach acid down, which leads to reflux and disrupted sleep. Rule number 2. Keep it light. Don't overfill your stomach. Think of your stomach like a mixer grinder. If you overfill it, it won't work properly. Dinner should satisfy your hunger, not stuff you. Heavy, oily meals overload your digestive system and cause bloating, gas, and discomfort all night. Aim for about 30 to 35% of your daily calories at dinner, not 50%. Rule number 3. Balance your plate. 5 key components. A perfect dinner includes nutritious fiber, vegetables, whole grains, keeps digestion smooth and prevents blood sugar spikes, healthy fats, nuts, seeds, olive oil, ghee, supports hormone production and satiety, protein, dal, paneer, tofu, chickpeas, quinoa, repairs muscles, skin, hair and keeps you full. Complex carbs, brown rice, millets, whole wheat, provides steady energy without spiking blood sugar. Minimal spices, reduces risk of heartburn and sleep disruption. Rule number 4. Go low spice. Avoid irritation. Spicy, heavy foods irritate your digestive tract and increase the risk of acid reflux, heartburn, and sleep disruption. Keep dinner mild and calming. If you love spice, save it for lunch when your digestive fire is strongest. Rule number 5. Eat mindfully. No distractions, no phones, no TV, no scrolling. Slow down, chew properly, and enjoy every bite. This helps your brain register fullness and improves digestion. Studies show that mindful eating reduces overeating and improves satisfaction from meals. Alright, let's get practical. Here are 7 simple, healthy dinner recipes that are light, nutritious, and easy to digest. Each one is packed with protein and fiber to keep you full and support weight loss. 7 dinner recipes. Recipe number 1. Vegetable khichdi. 1 pot comfort meal. Ingredients: rice, moong dal, mixed vegetables, carrots, peas, beans, turmeric, cumin, ginger, ghee. Why it works: easy to digest, balanced macros, perfect for weak digestion. Protein: approximately 12 g per serving. Fiber: approximately 6 g per serving. Cooking time: 25 minutes. Recipe number 2. Chickpea power salad bowl. Ingredients: boiled chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, onions, lemon juice, chaat masala, coriander. Why it works: high protein, high fiber, no cooking required. Protein: approximately 15 g per serving. Fiber: approximately 10 g per serving. Cooking time: 10 minutes if using pre-boiled chickpeas. Recipe number 3. Palak paneer with millet roti. Ingredients: spinach, paneer, cottage cheese, garlic, cumin, jowar, bajra flour. Why it works: rich in iron and protein, gluten-free option with millet roti. Protein: approximately 18 g per serving. Fiber: approximately 7 g per serving. Cooking time: 20 minutes. Recipe number 4. Moong dal chila, green gram pancakes. Ingredients: moong dal flour, chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies, coriander, minimal oil. Why it works: high protein, easy to digest, kid-friendly. Protein: approximately 14 g per serving. Fiber: approximately 5 g per serving. Serving suggestion: tomato chutney or coconut chutney. Cooking time. Recipe number 5. Besan chila, chickpea flour pancakes. Ingredients: besan, chickpea flour, onions optional, spinach, turmeric, cumin. Why it works: versatile, quick, can add paneer or tofu for extra protein. Protein: approximately 13 g per serving. Fiber: approximately 6 g per serving. Cooking time: 12 minutes. Recipe number 6. Masoor dal soup, red lentil soup. Ingredients: red lentils, onions, tomatoes, garlic, cumin, coriander, optional veggies. Why it works: comforting, light, perfect for cold nights or weak digestion. Protein: approximately 16 g per serving. Fiber: approximately 8 g per serving. Cooking time: 20 minutes. Recipe number 7. Rajma with less rice, kidney bean curry. Ingredients: soaked and boiled rajma, onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, minimal spices, small portion of brown rice. Why it works: high protein, very filling, classic comfort food. Protein: approximately 17 grams per serving. Fiber: approximately 9 g per serving. Pro tip: use more rajma, less rice. Soak beans overnight to reduce gas. Cooking time: 30 minutes or 10 minutes with pre-boiled rajma. Quick bonus tip: if your digestion is weak or you often feel bloated after dinner, skip raw salads at night. Instead, eat cooked or steamed vegetables. Raw vegetables require more digestive effort, while cooked veggies are gentler on your stomach and still provide all the fiber and nutrients. Also, if you feel hungry before bed after eating early dinner, drink a glass of warm water or herbal tea, like chamomile or ginger. This helps quell hunger without adding calories or disrupting sleep. Recap and amp. Closing, alright? Let's recap. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed, ideally by 8 pm. Keep it light, balanced, and low spice. Focus on protein and fiber to stay full and support weight loss. Try the 7 recipes I shared. They're quick, tasty, and digestion friendly. Start with one recipe this week and notice the difference in your sleep, energy, and digestion. If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Drop a comment below. Which recipe are you trying first? I read every comment and love hearing from you. See you in the next video, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and eat smart dinner tonight. Sleep better. Wake up fresh. Burn fat overnight. Your body will thank you tomorrow morning. Goodbye, friends.
Thanks for watching Vitality Health Works. Small, science-backed habits build lasting health. Start today. If this helped, like and subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.